Right, so this is question 3. I'll turn it this way. So what we've got here is a river, a cross section of a river. So a bit of real life context for you. You've also got a compound shape made up of 3 separate shapes, one of which we still need to break down. And yeah, we've got a few decimals as well. So let's start off by firstly doing the middle bit. First rectangle here, 10 times 4.3. Hopefully from the first unit of work you remember what happens when you times things by 10 with place value, so that becomes 43 meters squared. So that's the big section. This triangle here, what I want you to think about with this, in case you've never worked out the area of a triangle before, just imagine it as a big toasted sandwich. There we go, everyone likes a toasted sandwich. You cut the toasted sandwich in half into triangles, because that's how we do it. So to work out the area of the big rectangle, what you need to do is 4 times 4.3. That gives you the area of the whole rectangle, and then when you slice it in half, that tells you the area of this triangle here. So let's do this. 4 times 4.3. 4 4s are 16, and 4 times 0.3 is 1.2. Add these two things together, gives you 17.2. Now that tells you the area of the whole rectangle. We now need to half that. So if you're ever trying to half 17.2, a good way to do it would be first to half the 10, which gives you 5. Next, half your 7, which gives you 3.5. And then half your 0.2, which equals 0.1. Add these up, 5 add 3.5 add 0.1 gives you 8.6. Which means that has to be 8.6 meters squared. Last, let's have a look at this. This is a trapezium, but you can break it into a rectangle and a triangle. This rectangle is 2.1 times 2.3. First bit of grid multiplication for this one. My apologies if this doesn't look very good. I am doing this through a phone screen, so bear with me. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 3 is 6. 3, 8, 4. Slide the decimal, they meet there. 4.83. So that one's 4.83. And lastly, we just need to work out this triangle here. So we know what that length is, we just need to know this one. That's 2.3, and the whole thing's 4.3, which means this must be 2. So we do base times height again, 2 times 2.1 gives you 4.2, but then half it because we only want half the sandwich, which equals 2.1 again. And add all your pieces together and you'll get the answer. So 4.83, 2.1, and do that on the calculator, 43 and 8.6, and that'll give you your final answer.